Hi, welcome to my brand new kitchen. My boyfriend has been very efficient and we've managed to open most of our boxes now, and I've mostly organized my kitchen. So welcome to Cassie's new kitchen. However, we still don't have Wi-Fi, so I'm not able to make a full-length video this week. So instead I'm going to make a very quick video and I'm going to upload it on my phone's data. So today we're going to make a curry and we're going to use this golden curry roux. And I used to make this in a huge batch on the weekend, and then it would basically just be my lunch for the rest of the week. It's not exactly aesthetically pleasing, it's not very pretty, but it is a very useful recipe and it has been a very useful recipe for me. So let's just get straight to it. So first I'm just going to set my rice to cook. Then I'm going to chop up most of these vegetables. We tend to have a very full curry in this household, so I will use all of these except for maybe 2 of the carrots, so I'll use about 3 carrots total. Then I pour in a load of oil into my pot and just dunk in all of my vegetables. There's no finesse to this, it's literally just about getting as much as I can into my pot. Then whilst the vegetables are going, I cut up my chicken. Then I add my chicken to the vegetable mix, and I just do it in this order because the vegetables cook a lot slower than the chicken. And at this point I just make sure to give it a stir every now and then. As you can see, I've just kept everything at a similar kind of cube shape, but just so that it cooks evenly. So far this really doesn't look like a curry, does it? This step is entirely optional and customizable, but once the chicken is no longer cooked, then I like to add all of these spices. I've got paprika, chili powder, coriander, garam masala, white pepper, and cumin seed. And I add a lot of chili powder because these little golden curry roux are never spicy enough. And don't forget the salt and pepper to bring out those spices. And once everything is covered in flavour and looking nice and cooked on the outside, then I pour in a load of water. I have the water line a little bit over the top of everything, so I'm going to add in a little bit more. So overall I've used about 800 millilitres of water. Then I'm just going to bring this up to a boil. Everything is bubbling nicely, then I'm going to cover it and then turn down the heat and leave it to bubble until everything is nice and soft. Everything seems nice and well done now. Everything is very soft and easy to put a fork through. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Now with my heat off, I'm going to add half a pack of my golden curry roux. And as the roux melts in, the curry is going to get thicker and thicker. So here's my nice thick curry, and I'm just going to plate it up how I would usually eat it, instead of trying to make it any fancier than it really is. And there you go, my no frills Japanese golden curry. I'm really sorry that I couldn't do a full-length video this week, but it looks like I'm probably going to have to do a very similar style short video next week as well, because I still haven't got my Wi-Fi set up. So I'll just see what I can do, but I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe anyway, and let me know if you've ever used golden curry before, or you've ever used any other kind of Japanese curry roux before, and what kind of things that you would put into it normally. But that's it for today, so I'll see you in some form or other next Sunday. Bye!